Now I'll explore the use case for SQL managed services. But first, let's revisit what a database is and how it's used. A database is a collection of information that's organized so that it can easily be accessed and managed. Users are building software applications using databases to answer business questions, such as buying a ticket, filing an expense report, storing a photo, or storing medical records. Computer applications run databases to get a fast answer to questions like, what's this user's name given their sign-in information so I can display it? What's the cost of product Y so I can show it on my dynamic web page? What were my top 10 best-selling products this month? And what's the next ad that I should show the user currently browsing my site? These apps must be able to write data in and read data out of databases. When a database is used, it's usually run by a computer application. So when we say that a database is useful for doing X, it's usually because it's designed to make answering a question simple, fast, and efficient for the app. Relational database management systems, abbreviated to RDBMS, or just relational databases, are used extensively and are the kind of database you encounter most of the time. They're organized based on the relational model of data. They're very good when you have a well-structured data model, and when you need transactions and the ability to join data across tables to retrieve complex combinations of your data. Because they make use of the structured query language, they're sometimes called SQL databases. Google Cloud offers two managed relational database services, Cloud SQL and Cloud Spanner. Let's explore each of them in detail.